Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're comparing two popular trading platforms for beginners, eToro and Webull. Both offer easy-to-use interfaces, but let's break down the key differences. eToro, social trading, copies successful traders with the copy trading feature. Assets, offers stocks, cryptocurrencies, ETFs, and more. Fees, no commission on stocks, but there are some fees for currency conversion and withdrawals. User-friendly, great for beginners looking to learn by following others. Webull, advanced tools, offers real-time data, technical analysis, and paper trading. Assets, focus on U.S. stocks, options, ETFs, and cryptocurrencies. Fees, no commissions, but fees apply for margin trading. Active trading, great for beginners who want to dive into more hands-on trading. Which is better for beginners? eToro is better if you want a simple, social trading experience. Webull is ideal if you're interested in active trading with advanced tools. That's it for today. Like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more content. See you next time.